Hey everyone, my name is Mahanvi Sharma and I am an IELTS trainer by profession. Well, from where should I start? I started my journey as a counselor and I had no idea what to do with my life back then. But I knew that I really loved interacting with different kinds of people. So I thought this job is suits me perfectly. So yeah, for the next 2 to 3 years I continued my journey as a counselor only, but the journey wasn't easy. In those 2 to 3 years I went through really bad phase in my life, professionally as well as personally, and that too at the same time. And it started affecting me mentally, guys, because I had no idea about, I used to give very less importance to my health, to my physical health as well as mental health. So when I really was going through bad phase, I started introspecting a lot. I started introspecting like why I'm feeling this way, how can I improve myself, how can I overcome the problems which I'm facing in my life. And what I did is I started making YouTube videos, and whatever I was feeling I started making videos, and just basically I started venting out everything, and I started writing everything in my notebook, whatever I was feeling. And that really helped me, guys. I think after that I realized that it is so important to vent it out. Holding on to the thoughts really not going to help you, guys. If you really want to keep your mental health healthy, then you have to vent it out. You don't have to within hold your thoughts within yourself. And that thing really helped me, guys. And I started watching positive motivational videos. Basically I made myself completely a different person, and I cut contacts from every person who was making me feel less, who was making me down. I was really mocked by some people for my height in school and in college, and used to affect my self-esteem a lot. So when I started reading books, when I started watching inspirational videos, I realized that I think these things doesn't matter when you are at peace within yourself. And for that I started meditating a lot. I started meditating for at least 30 minutes a day. You can meditate 15 minutes a day, but I started meditating 30 minutes every day, and trust me, it has helped me a lot, guys. Now what meditation does is it helps you calm down your thoughts. Our mind is such that thoughts keep wandering in our mind, positive, negative, and every kind of thought. And it leads to overthinking, and when you overthink, it affects your work, and when it affects your work, it ruins the relationship with your family, with your colleagues, with your friends. So basically the whole thing just get messed up. So meditation helps in all of these things. It will help you to calm down your thoughts. It will help you to feel happy from within. And another thing which I do on daily basis, guys, is I have a gratitude journal. So every day I write things for which I am grateful for. I'm grateful for the clothes I'm wearing, I'm grateful for the shelter, I'm grateful for the food, I'm grateful for the cup of tea that I get in the morning. So having a gratitude for little things really helps, guys. Now it may look very basic, it may look very small, but trust me, these little things will make you a very happy person from within. And when you are happy from within, guys, your productivity increases, and when your productivity increases, then I think nobody can stop you from achieving anything wherever you want. So yeah, I think everything boils down to the health, guys. As they say, health is wealth, and it is absolutely true. So having patience, having faith in God, having a gratitude for the things that you have, all of these things really helps. And talking about life mantra, I would say that you have to go through the worst in order to get the best. I mean, you can't get the best. You can't succeed in life if you are not going through the worst times in your life. And had I not been going through the worst times, I wouldn't be the same person as I am now. So I think everything is a learning, but yes, we have to prioritize health in all of these things. And what you can do is you can meditate, guys. You can do stretching exercise. Stretching really helps. And yeah, coming back to my journey. So I was doing really well as a counselor, but deep down I knew I was meant for something big. I had so many capabilities in myself. So I gave IELTS exam, I got really good bands, and I started working as an IELTS trainer. And for me, I think biggest achievement would be for the teacher is acknowledgement from her students. And I am lucky enough to get that acknowledgement from my students, when they appreciate, when they acknowledge your hard work, your efforts that you put in. And just like a student need motivation, a teacher also wants the same, and I am fortunate enough to get the same. So yeah, that's all about myself. And in the last, I would just like to say that have a gratitude, appreciate little things in your life, prioritize your health, do meditation, journal your thoughts. Do not hold on to your thoughts, because your health is very important, guys. If you really want to achieve success, then you have to prioritize your health. Thank you.